Today I'll be showing you how to repair a clogged or slow brewing Keurig coffee maker. Really simple, doesn't take that much time. Let's get started. There's your top or lid, whatever you might want to call it. Let's get started. I'm going to move the water tank first of all. You're going to lift the lever up, and there are two Phillips head screws that must be unscrewed to remove the lid. And there they are right there, left and right. Not too difficult to get to, but you're gonna need, I didn't videotape this, but just basically, remove them lefty-loosey. And there's the two screws that came out that secured the top or the lid to the coffee maker. Okay, to remove the lid or top, you're gonna have to lift the lever up, push forward, and lift up. It's just that simple. Lift the lever up, push the top or lid forward, and lift up and pull out. Lift the lever up, push forward, lift the top up, and pull out. Okay, here's a side view of removing the top. Lift the lever up, push in, and lift out. Pull up. Push in, pull out. Okay, once again, lift the lever up. Do not pull out. Do not pull out. You got to push in first. Push in first. Push. Lift the lever up. Push in. Lift the rear of it up and pull out. Very simple. Okay, this is what it looks like when the top is off or the lid is off. That's your valve right there. It pumps the water through the water lines. You got two zip ties, a black and a white one. That water line connects the valve. The zip ties connect the valve to the water line. It's connected in two places, the front of the valve and the rear. To give you a better look at it, there's those two zip ties right there. Okay, there's the front of the valve, and there's the rear of the valve, and both of those lines have to be removed to get to the water valve. That's what we're trying to remove, the water valve. That's where it's clogged at. Okay, we're going to have to remove the two zip ties, the black and the white one. Okay, there's the black one being removed. And the white one being removed. Okay, the valves in the front and the back, they're connected with the water lines. That's the front of the valve right there. That's the front. You're going to take that off, and you're going to take that part off, the front and the back. The valve is in between both water lines. So you have to pull them off. They're just going around the valve, so you just pull them off. Yeah, you can use a screwdriver to try to get that tube off the valve and kind of work it loose, and it'll pull off. You got to do a little twisting. And for the front, same thing. Kind of use your screwdriver to work it back and forth, and eventually it'll give. Okay, this is your valve right here. That's how it's set up on your coffee maker. You got the front and the back. That's the rear right there. And what you're gonna do is maybe have it sit in some vinegar for a while. Run hot water on it and blow the rear part of it. You got to be able to blow through it. That's where it's clogged at. You blow through it with your mouth to unclog it. You just got to blow pretty hard to unclog it. And once you blow, once the air goes through, you'll know it's unclogged. Then you want to sit in the vinegar for about an hour, and then really put hot water on it. Let it sit in hot water for a while, and then install the cleared valve. Okay, and installing the valve now, just slide this, just kind of screw it inside the, I'm starting with the rear of the valve. Just screw it into twist it into the rubber tube on the back, the water line. Just keep turning it clockwise until it screws in itself. Just work its way in. Okay, the rear is on now. Okay, now we're gonna mount the front of the valve. Same thing, just kind of work its way in, twist it until the inside of the valve slides as far as it can go. And there you go. You got the front slid on now. And you're ready to install the zip ties. Okay, I mounted the 2 screws back in, and we're in business. Okay, it's ready to go. Okay, if you like this video, give me a like, a comment, a share, and for production purposes, if you like to donate, go to my PayPal. Have a good one.